I was ordered to collect cans in the pantry to throw them away.
Oh, okay. Wait, stop right there!
Why? I was just going to throw out old pots and cans.
What if we can still use it? We just have to find a way to remove the stains on the metal surfaces that work better than regular dishware.
That's a good idea. And plus, it can be our scientific invention for our science project.
That's right, I agree. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Let's study more about it so that our research will be successful.
The effects of different acid solution concentration on selected metal surfaces of cookingware.
Summary. Metal equipment must be cleaned from time to time to prevent damage and maintain efficiency of operation. The chemical cleaning of metals has a number of advantages over mechanical cleaning methods. The greatest of these are that the metal equipment to be cleaned doesn't need to be dismantled and reassembled, and the cleaning does not damage the equipment, leaving areas that are more vulnerable to corrosion than before. Metal equipment typically gets both organic and inorganic deposited substances on it, coming from various lubricating oils, corroding metal, deposited product, deposits from hard water, etc. These are typically removed in a 5-step process, although this varies depending on the exact nature of the scale deposits.
Stage 1. Feel. Feeling the problem. Chemical cleaning is a process which primarily uses chemical solutions to remove foul odors inside the house, specifically to the kitchen. Every day, perhaps $50,000 of industrial chemicals are consumed in the cleaning of process, particularly in the food processing industries. Caustic soda and nitric acid are used extensively for cleaning stainless steel daily equipment. Heavy industry provides the more diverse applications of cleaning chemistry, so this article will concentrate only to cleaning common household kitchen utensils and will only use low acid concentration, which will be extracted from under or rotten used citrus fruits at home.
Identifying the problem. The researchers aim to find ways on how to clean and remove rust or soot from kitchen cookingwares.
Significance of the research. This research will be of great help not only to mothers who are always assigned to work in the kitchen, but to students as well in school who are enrolled in HELE and are most of the time using cookingwares which they cannot sometimes clean thoroughly due to time constraints.
Objectives of the research. This research aims to help the kitchen workers on how to avoid wastage and use wisely the used or rotten citrus fruits at home and in school. Number 1. How do acids work as a metal cleaner? 2. Which among the citrus fruits can be effective in cleaning or removing rust or soot in the cookingware? Number 1. Lemon. Number 2. Calamansi. Number 3.
Stage 2. Imagine. The researchers' willingness to help their parents find the easiest way on how to clean the kitchenwares without spending much money. The idea of using rotten citrus fruits at home inspired them to research if the acids of these fruits will be effective to dissolve the rust and soot present in these materials.
Stage 3. Do. Materials. You will need 3 jars, lemon, lime, calamansi, and baking soda. Procedures. You need to prepare 3 medium-sized jars. Label the jars as jar A, B, and C. Prepare the following in different jars. Jar A should have 15 ml of lemon juice and add 1 tablespoon of sodium carbonate. Jar B, mix 15 ml of lime juice and add 1 tablespoon of sodium carbonate. Jar C, mix 15 ml of calamansi juice and add 1 tablespoon of sodium carbonate. Prepare 3 dirty cookingwares. Wet the surface of cookingware 1 and apply the mixtures in jar A. Do the same in cookingware 2 and 3 using mixtures in jar B and cookingware 2 and mixtures of jar C in cookingware 3. Write the result in the table.
Explanation and discussion of results.
Soot is made of tiny carbon particles created by incomplete combustion of fossil fuels, wood, oil, coal, and more. Soot contains acids, chemicals, metals, soils, and dust. These particles leave an ugly sight and foul smell. During a fire, soot spreads to the whole house, attaching to surfaces. Thus, the acidic properties of soot can further affect the property and hinder air quality if the soot is not removed immediately. Soot can inhabit the home even if there was not a fire. For example, excessive use of candles can lead to soot buildup. Thus, property owners should use them sparingly. There is also fire risk. Fireplaces can also release soot. To avoid the health risk of soot exposure after cooking, cookingwares must be properly cleaned and sanitized. The references are down below.
Hi, my name is Emily Clara.
I'm Alisa Ma.
And I'm Trisha Lewis Lee.
I'm Sahal.
I'm Caitlin Porcero.
And we are Group 2.